just let it hurt. Huwag mo munang pilitin na maging okay. Huwag mong itago yung sakit. Kasi totoo naman, hindi madali mawalan, hindi madali masaktan, at hindi rin madali magpanggap na ayos ka na kahit hindi pa. Minsan, kailangan mo lang talagang umiyak, yung tipong wala ka nang pakialam kung pangit ka habang umiiyak. Basta mailabas mo lang lahat ng bigat sa dibdib mo. Kasi the more you try to stop the pain, the more it stays. And the only way to truly heal is to feel it first. Love isn't always about happiness. May mga panahon talagang masasaktan ka. Kahit ginawa mo na ang lahat, kahit naging totoo ka, kahit binigay mo na lahat ng kaya mo. Pero ganun talaga ang pag-ibig. Hindi palaging fair. And that's okay. Kasi every heartbreak teaches us something about love, about others, and most importantly, about ourselves. Let it hurt, kasi dun mo marirealize na tao ka, marunong magmahal, marunong masaktan. Hindi mo kailangan maging matatag agad. Take your time, dahil sa dulo, malalampasan mo rin yan. You'll wake up one day, tapos na pala yung sakit. You'll look back and smile, kasi alam mong kahit nasaktan ka, hindi mo tinakasan yung totoo mong nararamdaman. Let it hurt now, so that one day you can say, it doesn't hurt anymore. And when that day comes, you'll be stronger, wiser, and ready to love again. This time, with a heart that has been broken, but has healed beautifully.